loves, welcome to today's video. I'll be bringing you along as I decorate my living room today for spring. My name is Geraldine of Diva Decorating. And guys, I'm going to be doing some light dusting and cleaning my mirrors. Guys, the weather outside is getting so nice. It's getting warmer. And it's time to bring out all those beautiful spring colors to decorate with. So I'm bringing some spring colors to my small living room in my townhome today. I'll be popping in and out the video as we go along, sharing with you the items I'm using and where I purchased them from. So go grab yourself a nice refreshing drink and a snack and sit back and enjoy the video. So guys, I'm decorating with some avocado green, or it could be called chartreuse green, olive green, sage green, whatever you want to call it. I mean, these colors just spoke to me. Now, this might not be a spring color, but I am liking these greens, okay? So I'm going to be working with this today. So all of my throw pillow covers are from Amazon. And this cover that you see me putting on the couch is a chenille tassel fringe throw blanket, which I am just loving the playful fringe on it. It looks so cute and so refreshing to me. And my pillow covers, the green one has the little pom-poms on it. I think they're so fun and so whimsical. I just love this look. So I feel that the green is doing something for this white couch. It is bringing it out with the vibrant color. And here I'm just placing another little throw blanket off to the side. So if you are new here, let me take the time to welcome you. On this channel, I do DIYs, room tours, tablescapes, shop with me. I do a little bit of cooking. So guys, if you like those sort of things, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you can get all your decorating and home decor needs right in one place. And if you are already a part of the Diva family, welcome back, loves. I'm so glad to have you back for another video. Thank you always for your kind comments and your support. So this vase I've had for many years. I just have some vase fillers in there, and these are some flowers that I am putting inside there. I really like the color of this green. So have you guys started decorating for spring yet? If so, leave me a comment down below and let me know what colors you are starting off your spring with. Are there light colors? Are there just a little bit darker colors? I love spring because springtime means that summer is not too far away. And that is my favorite season because that's my birthday season. So my little heart face here came from Amazon. The candle is from Amazon. The Ming boxes are from Sea Gallery. The books are from Amazon. And the one you see on top is a DIY. And my little hand sculpture here is from Amazon. And the vase is from Home Goods. So over here, guys, I don't know if you know, but if you've been with me, you know that I always decorate this as my bar area. It's a breakfast bar, but today I am switching it up, guys. I'm giving you a different look. No bar accessories at all today. We're going to decorate this with a couple of bunnies and a little vase here. And these candle holders. Now the mirror top is new also. It is from Amazon and I found the perfect size for it. Guys, the ironic thing about my pampas grass is that it has some bunny tails in it, and I thought that was so cute to go along with my little bunnies that I have sitting up here on the mirrors. So these curtains, they are elegant velvet curtains and they're in olive green and I am loving them. It does give a little dark effect, but I'm going to keep them open so the light can shine through and it won't look so dark because these are dark filtering curtains. So guys, this is the finished look. I will go around the room again and give you a view of what it looks like. I am loving the green, y'all. I am loving it. These ostrich feathers are coming off on camera as a little bit on the brown side, but I assure you they are olive green. And also, this is a tie back to tie back curtains. It is olive green also. So that's what that's looking like. And here's those bunny tails that inside the pampas that I was telling you about. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it came out so nicely. But leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. So guys, I hope this video gave you some inspiration and some motivation to decorate your space for spring. And if it did, and you liked the video, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up, and it really helps out the channel. And leave me a comment with your thoughts and questions because I really like hearing from you. And share the video because it could inspire and motivate someone else. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed, loves.